This is my Cedarwood and Fir Beard Balm. I'll show you a simple, repeatable method for a consistently smooth, high quality finish. The timestamps are below and the recipe is in the description. Equipment: big knife, stirring utensils, heat safe. Pyrex dishes, lipped, easy pour. You need 2, I've got 3. Big bowl, little bowl, stainless steel, pan, stainless steel. Chopping board, clean, stable surface. Tins, 60 ml, clean, dry, ready for the pour. I'm gonna fill 4. Ingredients: coconut oil, improves the spreadability of the balm. Easy to work with, nice and soft, chops up easy. Little bowl on the scales to weigh. Shea Butter nourishes the beard and skin underneath while keeping the balm soft and malleable. Weigh in the little bowl. Combine in the big bowl. Mango butter adds a smooth, lightweight feel and helps prevent greasiness. And in with the others. Cetyl Alcohol adds slip and stability to the balm, reduces drag. Beeswax provides hold and shape. I prefer white to yellow as it's minutely smoother, but yellow is perfectly good. Cocoa butter gives structure and firmness without making the balm brittle, despite being rather brittle itself. It's a nice dry butter, so straight on the scales. Castor oil, thick, conditioning, adds weight and shine to the beard. I'm pouring down that stirring utensil so it doesn't dribble down the bottle. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, supports skin health. Fir Needle Essential Oil, fresh, forest-like top note that lifts the blend. Pouring down a rubber knife there. In with the vitamin E, combines nicely. Cedarwood Essential Oil, warm, woody base note, nice and manly, like me. Double boiler, water in pan, low boil, big bowl on top. I melt the beeswax and cetyl alcohol first because they have a higher melting point. This is on times 10 speed. Let's make a nice concise video. Once the waxes are melted, add in the solid oils and butters. Take your time here. Low heat. Get those big chunks broken up if needed. Get your stirring utensil in there. In goes the castor oil. And I'll give it another stir. French green clay helps absorb excess oil, gives a nice matte finish to the balm. It pairs nicely with the woody tones of the cedarwood and fir. The colour matches the woody vibes that I'm going for. In goes the vitamin E and essential oils. And we're going to stir till everything's nice and combined. and the mixture is smooth and uniform. I'm transferring now into our lipped Pyrex, ready to pour into the tins. I'm going to fill 4 of these tins. Beautiful colour and consistency. Into the fridge for 20 minutes. Lid off. Here's an example of a beard balm that's gone gritty. It's still perfectly fine to use, but it doesn't have that extra smooth finish that we're after. If a balm cools too slowly, fatty acids in shea butter and mango butter can form large crystals. I use the fridge briefly to control how the balm sets, leaving the lids off so the heat can escape properly. The key is not leaving the tins in the fridge too long, as overcooling can also cause crystals to organize themselves into grits as the balm comes back to room temperature. This is about controlling the cooling process. And that is the finished balm. Smooth texture, matte finish, ready to use. If you don't want to make the balm yourself, I sell beard balms over at fullsetproducts.com. They're made in small batches, using the same ingredients and method you just seen. Thanks for watching.